Now, a lot of unanswered questions have been asked over the years about the England senior football team. Despite having the best league in the world, some of the biggest and most highly paid superstars in the game, England has failed to produce a championship caliber senior football team since the 1966 team that won the World Cup on home soil. Well, right now, England are the current European under-21 champions. They are the under-20 World Cup champions, and they have emphatically marched into the final of the ongoing under-17 World Cup. This after dominating and demolishing some of the traditional powerhouses of world football, including smashing out the teeth of Brazil in the semi-final. Though this could not be a fluke. England traditionally has not placed much emphasis on FIFA youth competitions, but it is obvious now that a concerted and strategic effort is being made to build a solid core of young English players to eventually change the fortunes of the senior teams that consistently flop at the big tournaments, a la Lionel Messi. And while acknowledging the tendency of the British media to overhype their young players, we cannot underestimate the importance of the confidence to be gained by this generation of young England players by beating the world in football. This core will bring with them into the senior ranks the inner belief that they have beaten the world already and then can beat them again. This, to my mind, is a brilliant strategy by England to focus on youth. When we hear that argument before, when we hear that before, focus, when we hear that argument before, focus on youth. Yes, it sounds familiar. It sounds familiar. But is where it's coming from. Focus on youth.